holding something unique and brand new. I cram too, understand how some MCs can bring a rhyme into the world and release it before it's time. You wasn't ready for the responsibility, it goes beyond ability to spawn. You feeling me? Some can't scale the hurdle, they're infertile so they kidnap. This famous type will make you wish you never did that. Don't have to hesitate, I know I can be quick to pull. Let my arrows fly, cause a blessed man keeps a quiver full. Unpredictable, yet steadfast. I'm running the race, not to win but to finish, cause the first will be dead last. And if I'm true to my calling, I mean it's up to me to put into you what God put into me. It's destined to be for good. Feed my mind and spirit, cause I gotta feed yours. It's on the straight and narrow path, it ain't no detours.
Time to put your nose to the grindstone, solid in the midst of the cyclone. God said let there be light, so I shone. Out the mouth to the microphone. Time to put your nose to the grindstone, solid in the midst of the cyclone. God said let there be light, so I shone. Out the mouth to the microphone.
Well, God gave me a word today, it was a gift to share. I understood the meaning, but I was skeptical and scared, cause I couldn't compare the weight that I held. I was pushing other ideas to serve myself, but this was a calling of love, something I ain't touched. I grew up with this theme, but wasn't talked about much, so the pain multiplied, I didn't know where to take it. I brought it to church one time, but had to fake it. I thought I could do it all by myself. I don't need no fellowship or nobody's help. My mood was getting ugly from within, it resonated. The world read me like a book, but with empty pages, cause they saw all the hatred behind the false image. Maybe it wasn't God, and I might not be a Christian. I feel like I'm all alone and none of y'all can hear me. Being born again, I thought it would be easy.
Time to put your nose to the grindstone, solid in the midst of the cyclone. God said let there be light, so I shone. Out the mouth to the microphone. Time to put your nose to the grindstone, solid in the midst of the cyclone. God said let there be light, so I shone. Out the mouth to the microphone.
This is something that was placed inside of me. It's nothing I have to make an effort to try to be. Abide in me, instructs my master, so I have to seek the kingdom and everything will follow after. Seriously reconsider what's important to me. Unfortunately, this culture got some orphans to feed. Never given the proper time to develop, only serve to dot the public eye and make it swell up.
I'm looking at life differently and thanking God for change. The sky is always blue, even when it rains. Better days are now, cause I ain't dying of AIDS. My mom's is still alive and my dad is doing okay. I'm holding down a job with some funds being saved and getting paid every month with not one complaint. So again, I thank God for changing a brand new day to realize what I have that might be taken away.
Time to put your nose to the grindstone, solid in the midst of the cyclone. God said let there be light, so I shone. Out the mouth to the microphone. Time to put your nose to the grindstone, solid in the midst of the cyclone. God said let there be light, so I shone. Out the mouth to the microphone.